Hello, you guys. Let's get this set up. This is what happens when you have a busy shift. The water just doesn't get consumed. This is so crazy to be filming a 24-hour day in the life video of a nurse because I haven't filmed one of these in so long and I've never filmed one of these in my casita. It's currently 8 p.m. and I just got off shift. It was a busy one. It was a crazy one. I still have my fruit snacks in here from earlier, but I never got to eat those. Overall, it ended well, which is always how you want to end a shift. But today we're filming kind of like my nighttime routine when I get off of work and how I prepare for the next shift, which is tomorrow. It's my last day tomorrow. I am officially getting done with a 3-1-2, which means I worked 3 days in a row, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I had only Tuesday off, and then today's Wednesday. I work today and I work tomorrow on Thursday. Friday, I leave for a vacation all weekend, and then I work Monday, Tuesday. We're just busy out here, but it's a good busy. The first thing that I like to do when I get home is just completely get myself ready for bed, get the house all ready to go, and then I can sit on the couch because my trick is that as soon as I sit, I really don't get up. So I have dumped all my stuff. We're gonna also open our packages that I got because I got two not really that exciting things, but semi-exciting. This one's exciting because I dropped my Odwalla water bottle, my beloved water bottle, and it cracked. So we're gonna try this one. It's not the same color. It's like a little bit of a pink, blue, gray, but we're gonna check it out. This is my current Odwalla. I like it because it also has my stickers already on it. It says my name. It's perfect for work. Got a little pig in a pickle. This replacement color was sold out, but as you can see, let's see if you can see this. It's cracked right here, so I can just keep twisting and it'll just keep on going. And if I hold it by this part, which I always want to, it'll just crash on the ground. We're gonna do a little swap here. Reviews were good. Let's hope that the internet was helping me out. It fits perfect. I mean, I don't know how I feel about the colors. I know it's a little off, but it's a similar hue, so I feel like it kind of works. I don't know, you guys tell me. The pink kind of brings out the Kiara. I just like that I have a secure lid and I don't have to worry. I'm still gonna save, well, I don't know if I should save this. That would be kind of unpractical since it's broken. Knockoff lid, success. Another thing crossed off the to-do list. This guy is for Swiffer pads because my boyfriend and I have been working, not really me, mostly my boyfriend has been working on the flooring of my garage to epoxy it. It's been quite a saga, a journey. It is a project not for the weak, and it also causes a ton of dust all over. We've used up all the Swiffer pads and we needed more. If you guys have been following along on my Instagram where I post a lot of the house updates, a lot of these Swiffer pads were used when we had a little incident spray painting the fireplace. All the aerosolized spray paint like literally landed on the floor and it was a bit stressful cleaning it up, and we used a lot of Swiffers. We Swiffered the floor 4 times. So now we have a replacement. We're gonna clean this up, put these things away, and then we're off to, let's see, should we do kitchen next or should we do shower pajamas next? Always a hard call. I feel like we're gonna do kitchen. Cue the kitchen cleaning. We are basically going to put away all of our dishes and do the dishes that are in the sink right now because in the morning, I just have no energy to do more dishes. It's hard because I have to leave like about 10 minutes earlier for work and I don't wanna get up 10 minutes earlier to do so. Let's get a couple tasks done so we feel like we keep up with the household chores a little bit.
1, 2, 3. Hey, how's your day? I don't know if I'm interrupting what you say. I've got to know if I've been MIA. I can make it up to you right now. What you say, you should know. I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I could take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you. Don't be frowning, baby. You know I love you time and time again. Yeah.
Okay, we finished cleaning the kitchen. We're gonna set the scene for comfy time when I return from my shower. I always have to light a candle because I like it to smell nice in here. This is my ultimate favorite candle of all time. It's the Volcano Candle by Anthropologie, and I just got a new one for my birthday, so I'm restocked because the other one lasted me many months and I love it so much. So my other favorite candle right now is from Trader Joe's, and it's this little honey. Oh, this one's like lost its wick. We'll see if I can light it. It's the Honeycrisp apple one. And don't think this one's gonna see the light of day. That's gonna go in the trash. I'll have to get another one. They're only like $4, so it's guilt-free burning, which I really enjoy. We are gonna go take a shower and get all clean and put pajamas on, and then I'm gonna make a little food. I'm not starving because I had my break so late in the day because it was a crazy day and I was very busy. So I don't know, I might just do something small. I have a soup from Factor that looks super good. It's like a butternut squash one and it sounds delicious, like very comforting. So I think that's gonna be the move. So first let's shower and then we make moves. Also, you guys, the horrors, you know that I had a rough night of sleep when I didn't make my bed in the morning, so don't even look. It looks kind of made, but I didn't do a very good job. I really do like to make my bed every single morning. I just simply could not. Sometimes you just gotta roll with it. And I was like, this is close to made. It sounds crazy, but I might actually make the bed before I go to bed because something about getting in like a freshly made bed just feels right. While I wait for my shower to warm up, the new house is great. You guys are probably gonna get a lot of sneak peeks about like the decor and everything because I really haven't showed anything. I was trying to do like a big old house tour, but it's probably not gonna be done for a bit. So I don't know. You're just gonna get little sneak peeks as we film the different rooms, which is kind of fun and exciting because it's a whole new space. Me and my pantalones, we're gonna make this bed because I'm gonna wanna get into it while it's all clean. There's many wonderful things about the casita. One of them is not the water pressure or the time it takes for the water to heat up. Seriously, it takes like over 5 minutes. So that's why I've turned the water on. I'm not trying to be wasteful. It literally just is ice cold. We've tried turning up the temperature on the water heater and it definitely like increases the range of temperature, which is nice, but it does not make it heat up any faster. It's just a little quirk that we have to deal with, but it's okay because we love the casita and it loves us. Honestly, I did a pretty good makeshift bed making for not like going all out. The jelly cats crossed their legs, you know, all the important things. All right, here we go. Got the PJs ready. I'm gonna show you guys. We did a lot of work to make this shower look nicer. If you remember the original videos, this thing was so gross. And you know, it's still got some dated qualities, like my fun little thing right here, but we did put a new shower head, a light, you know, we tried to make it nice. It'll do for now until we save up more money to get it redone. Is it actually warm? Let's see. Oh, it's getting there. Okay, we're gonna hop in. We are all fresh and clean. I had such a nice shower. I honestly was probably in there way longer than I needed to be, but I was just like, this feels amazing. I have already laid out my hair stuff. You guys, the key to me being able to get ready here with a little bit more traffic, a little more unpredictability, laying everything out. I literally have my brush, my bobby pins, my hair tie. I actually forgot my deodorant. We're gonna lay it all out because I do procrastinate getting ready in the morning, which is fine as long as I have my stuff laid out. We're gonna go to the closet here and we're gonna lay out the scrubs because it's just so much better when you can get dressed in bed. I swear, it's just better. We're gonna go purple tomorrow. I was wearing periwinkle today and I got the worst pit stains ever. Of course, like the one day I was wearing the lighter colored shirt, it didn't go well. So we're going dark. And we're just gonna put them right by my bed so I can get ready in super speed. Let's get a little bit of food in our bellies because I think we need that. Now that we're all ready for bed, all we need to do is eat and pack our lunch, and then we're ready to absolutely couch rot. Thankfully, this video is sponsored by Factor because I have no energy to cook anything today. If you guys don't know what Factor is, they deliver ready-to-eat meals to your door. They're super good, and Factor just doubled its menu options. It also has double the seafood and protein options and tons of more Mediterranean meals, which personally, those are like my top tier. A lot of people don't know that Factor also has some amazing add-ons that help make your life convenient. Tonight we're gonna be having the butternut squash soup. Obviously, this is fall in a cup and I'm excited to try it. I've never had their soup before. Tomorrow, we're having their overnight oats. You guys, look at these. They're so perfect and easy for me in the morning. I just open it up and eat it. I don't even have to wash a dish because I can just eat it out of here. It is literally a person without a dishwasher's dream. Anyway, I just love that their meals are healthy and convenient and just work for my crazy busy lifestyle. And frankly, they're delicious, so I actually get excited to eat my meals. My only regret is that I don't have bread to go with this. I am making a bit of a mess. It's okay. My stove is on. We're just gonna pour this in and enjoy a little butternut squash soup in a show. Okay, while my soup is heating, I'm gonna pack my lunch for tomorrow. I kind of just keep like similar things that I haven't eaten already in here. And I'm gonna cut an apple. I have chips, kombucha, but I need a main dish, which comes in handy because I have a Factor meal. I selected one of my favorites, the unstuffed spinach ricotta shells, and it comes with garlicky green beans and red peppers. One of my top tier dishes. So we're gonna just toss that in the lunch. This is literally ready in 2 minutes. I'll show you tomorrow when we eat it. I've been trying not to bring dessert to the hospital because I've been eating a lot of candy there on my shifts. We will be having an apple because it's healthy. I like it as a morning snack. It usually helps get me through the day if I have like a little cheese stick or something. And then I save my factor meal as like my main dish.
To know if I've been MIA, I can make it up to you right now. What you say, you should know.
All right, whoopsies. I ate like almost all my soup already because I was FaceTiming my boyfriend. He's out of town. I'm giving this a gold star. So comforting and good. It's like really smooth, but then also has like some soft chunks of butternut squash, so it feels like hearty and comforting. I love it, and I love even more that it helps me make my crazy day possible and still helps me put food in my stomach with minimal effort. So if you guys are in a similar boat, have a crazy lifestyle like I do, and you want to try Factor for yourself, you guys can go to factor75.com or click the link in my description box, and you can use my code Kiara FB50 to get 50% off your first box plus free breakfast for an entire year. That's Kiara FB50 at factor75.com to get 50% off plus free breakfast for a year. And with that, I think we're officially ready for bed. I'm gonna wash my little bowl out and then we're going to the couch because we've earned it. Yes, this is the part of the day that I dream of. We're gonna watch a little show, even though it's kind of late. It's like 9:42. I really should go to bed by 10, but the truth is that it just doesn't happen. I'm more of a 10:30, 10:45 girl. Tonight we're definitely going to bed by 10:30, so I better watch something short. It is so crazy. Sometimes on nights like this, when I'm like home alone by myself in my house, I'm like, wait, where am I? It's starting to feel more and more like home every day, but it still makes me be like, wow, this is crazy. I think that's good. That means I still appreciate it. I want to watch something true crime. I think we're gonna watch this. It's a top 10 documentary about called The Perfect Neighbor. That's what we're gonna watch. It's officially time for bed. I got a little too into that show. I watched it really late. We're definitely going to bed now. I'm gonna finish it tomorrow morning, but I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. It's 5:50 a.m. I'm getting all cozy in bed and I have my Factor overnight oats, my green tea. So far a good morning. I slept really well. It was like hard for me to fall asleep, but once I did, I was out. I heated up my overnight oats a little bit because I like it warm. And now I'm gonna finish watching the show that I got really into. It started off very slow, and then of course right when I was supposed to go to bed, it was lots of big, exciting drama craziness. So I'm gonna go back to Netflix and watch, what was it, The Good Neighbor? I always like to watch a show in the morning, just kind of like wake me up and feel like I have like my own time in the morning to have a morning rather than just like wake up, get ready, go. The Perfect Neighbor. Here we go. All right, we got 3 minutes on the clock. This is where I start to, where the lighting is bad. We just like to keep the vibes as minimally fluorescent as possible. I did a little bit of dishes, made the bed. I'm gonna call that a win. My show is getting really good, so I'm very invested. I have 1 minute to go, and I'm gonna try to just make a quick little note for my boyfriend to come home to, because he's probably gonna beat me home, and I think it would be sweet to leave him a little note. So I'm gonna do that before I run out the door, and then we're off to work. Okay, you guys, we made it with 1 minute to spare, and the clock just turned 6:50, which means it's time for me to get all my stuff, get out of the car, and walk upstairs. I'm gonna go have, hopefully, a good last shift, then I'll talk to you guys afterwards. I'll try to film a little bit of my lunch, eat my Factor meal, give you guys a little review. Let's power through this. We survived yesterday, we can survive today.
And she said she liked me. but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know.
Alright, it is officially my break time. Day's going well so far. Way better than yesterday's. A win is a win. We're cooking my factory meal right now. We're gonna eat. I have a 45-minute break and then I'm gonna go back, hang some chemo, take a transfer, do some more meds, some more charting, and then go home. I'm starving. I'm literally drooling. I'm gonna get our fork, stir this up. Delish. I'm kind of weird and I just like to put all my veggies in with my pasta. Taste test time. Oh, hot. Hello guys, it's my second break of the day. It's a 30-minute. I just heated up some leftover pizza, so I'm gonna have that on my break and just try to relax. I might go massage chair again because my back has been killing me. It's the end of the stretch. It's my Friday, so I'm in the home stretch. I got 3 patients. They're all lovely, and all I need to do when I go back is write notes on all of them and just check-ins. Ending the end of my stretch with a good day, which honestly is such a win. Okay, I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna call her a day. We did it. It is officially 7:30. Woof, the lighting is rough. I just clocked out and now I am on my way to go hang out with my friends. We're gonna do a friend dinner. I haven't seen them in a bit, so we're gonna just catch up and go celebrate this being my Friday. Surviving my 3-1-2, which I was very nervous about, but it's always good to like survive a stretch and be like, no, you can rally, you can take it. My shift got really busy at the end, but I got all my things done and crossed off, and now I get to go home and relax and hang out with my people. If I don't talk to you guys for the rest of the night, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I want to thank you guys so much for coming along. 24 hours in my life. Kind of a shorter video, but this is kind of like what my life looks like back to back to back when I'm working a stretch. It's just like a lot of the same repetitive routine, but it's great because it kind of keeps you on track. When you're done with it, it feels really great. Today's question of the day is, what is one piece of your routine that really keeps you going? For me, it's definitely making the bed and making sure that my house is clean before I go to bed, because it just is a little bit nicer to come home to when I am stressed and tired. I also want to thank Factor again for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check them out if you are in the need of some awesome, convenient, delicious, healthy meal options. You can go to factor75.com or click the link in my description and use code KiaraFB50 for 50% off plus free breakfast for an entire year. That's code KiaraFB50 for 50% off plus free breakfast for a year. I love you guys so much. I will talk to you very soon. I hope you are working hard and surviving at the same time. Talk to you in the next video. Bye.
In a world I don't wanna say just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your way?